we are here in the student center, you know what I'm saying? We outside where the gazebo is, and today is our open house, spring 2022. We are welcoming prospective students in, and you know the voices on the scene, man. You know the voices on the scene. Shout out to Charisma Howard, my opinions editor, for helping me with this video today. But we're gonna interview some students and some prospective students and a couple of alumni while we're at it, just to get the feel of today, man. Today is the spring open house, and again, you know the voices on the scene. I am my events, your editor-in-chief for The Voice Student Newspaper. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at FSU The Voice _. What's going on, y'all? We are back at the spring open house, and I got my fellow Broncos here with me. How y'all doing today? Y'all good? Y'all good? Go ahead and introduce yourself. Y'all looking good, you know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? Go ahead.
My name's Elsa. I'm Christy.
What's your class?
Class 25.
Y'all make me feel old, yeah. Because I'm a senior, I graduated in May. But look, we at the open house, you know what I'm saying? What are you hoping that our prospective Broncos get from this experience?
They get the feel of how big of a family we are, how connected we are. I mean, I hope a lot of them, I see a lot of people, I hope all of them come because it's really a great HBCU to get that HBCU experience.
Tell me a little bit about your experience as Broncos. Y'all freshmen, correct? So tell me a little bit about this freshman experience.
My first open house, it was just like this. I enjoyed it a lot. I visited all the tables, got all the souvenirs I wanted, even visited the majors that I wasn't interested in. It was really fun. I'm glad this was my top choice.
Anything else you want to let the prospective Broncos know?
Anything, you kind of took it out from me. All I can really say is, if you do decide to come to FSU, we'll welcome you with open arms.
With open arms, you know what I'm saying? We are here at the spring 2022 open house. I am Dormaya Venture, editor-in-chief for The Voice Student Newspaper, and we just, interviewed our fellow Broncos. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, FSU The Voice _. You know what I'm saying? I always want to tell you. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna chop it up with some more Broncos and hopefully some prospective Broncos. So make sure you tap in.
Y'all talking to the right people. Athletic Director Bennett. Now we're going up. We got the CIAA championship in Salem, Virginia. Oh, by the way, the 8 CIAA championships this year so far. The other states won 4.
What's going on, Broncos? It is Dormaya Venture, editor-in-chief for The Voice Student Newspaper, and I got my mans with me right here. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
What's going on? My name is Larry McCollum. I'm just here checking out the campus.
You know what I'm saying? I got my guy Larry here, you know what I'm saying? Too cool for school. He is a prospective Bronco, you know what I'm saying? Researching the campus, learning what he can. What are you hoping to kind of gain from today's open house?
Just here to open myself up to something local, HBCU. And like HBCUs, they give me that type of vibe, like I'm welcome, I'm taken in with love, and this is a family atmosphere.
Well, I'm telling you, you're in the right place. I'm a senior, so I can tell you for sure. You know what I'm saying? So you're in the right place for love and that family orientation that you're looking for. What kind of things are you interested in? What are you hoping to major in, maybe?
Sports management and entrepreneurship.
Oh yeah, you definitely in the right place, my guy. Because our sports program go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Got 8 CIAA championships under our belt. So y'all make sure y'all tap in with Larry, tap in with me during my events. We got a new prospective Bronco. I hope he goes ahead and put that admissions letter right on in there for us. But yeah, make sure y'all check us out at FSU The Voice _ on Instagram. And we are here at the Spring Open House 2022. And thank you so much for doing this for me.
No problem.